Okay, part 3 of page 282. I'm going to find the total area of the shaded polygons. I added some color to mine. I split mine up. I'm going to find the area, which I already did, of the rectangle and the area of the triangle. So the area of the rectangle, the base was 4, the height was 8. So I have base times height. Do not divide by 2. It is not a triangle. It is a rectangle. So the area of this rectangle is 32 meters squared. So now the base of this triangle is not 12. 12 represents this entire bottom line. Properties of a rectangle say if this is 4, then this is 4. So from here to here, I've used up 4 meters of the 12. So to get what this is from here to the very end, I'm going to take 4 away from 12, which is 8. So 8 is the base. This is nothing. The height is nothing on a slant. It's a slope. It's nothing. And the height, I have to use this line over here. So this line is 8. The height is right here. That's the height. So if this line is 8, and I used up 4, I need to make from 4 to get to 8, which is another 4. So the area, base times height divided by 2, the base we said was 8, the height was 4, and we are dividing by 2, which is 32 divided by 2, should be 16. 16. So the area of the triangle equals 16 meters squared. So I'm going to put a 16 in there. So to find the total area, I'm going to do 32 plus 16. You can be using a calculator. Total area is 48 meters squared. And I'm going to box or circle my final answer. Okay. Moving on to the next shape in number 8. So I'm going to split it right here where I see a triangle on the top and I see a rectangle on the bottom. So the area of the rectangle is base and height, not dividing by 2. The base is 8, the height is 4. That was easy. 32. Now for this triangle on the top, I've used up this whole line is 8 because that's going to give me the height. So from here to here is 8. But I've already used, if this is 4, then this is 4. I've already used up 4, so 8 minus 4 will give me the height of my triangle, which is 4. The 8.9 isn't going to be anything. It's very similar to over here. They're kind of using the same numbers. So the height is 4. The base of my triangle, if this is 8, then this is 8. So the base is 8. So my triangle, A equals base times height divided by 2. The base is 8. The height is 4 divided by 2. 32 divided by 2 equals 16. So this is 16. So 32 plus 16. Again, this one is total area. Area equals 48 meters squared, and box my final answer. Okay, number 9. Pretty simple. It is a triangle. I don't have 2 triangles. It's just showing the height. So the triangle is going to be area equals base times height divided by 2. This one's fairly easy. The base is 12, the height is 10. Divided by 2. This is going to be 120 divided by 2. If I cover up my 0, 12 divided by 2 is 6. Add the 0, 60. So we're working with inches squared. There's my final answer for that triangle. Now, in number 9, it wants us to find the area of the trapezoid, the upside down trapezoid. So, I'm going to have to split this up because they didn't split it up for me. So, I'm going to go with 2 triangles that are going to be exactly the same and a rectangle in the middle. I just like that ours stands out better. So I want the rectangle area equals base times height, not divided by 2 for the rectangle. The base is 8, and the height is 10. So the area is 80 inches squared of the rectangle. So I'm going to put 80 in the middle and circle it. So for the triangles, it's a little tricky. This whole line up here is 20. I used up from here to here, I used up 8 of that 20. So 20 minus 8 is 12. So I have to split 12 evenly between these two bases. So this is 6. 12 divided by 2 is 6. And this is 6. Again, this whole line was 20. I used up 8 from here to here, so 20 minus 8 is 12 left over to split evenly between the bases of the triangles. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So the base of my triangle, BH divided by 2. The base of my triangle is 6. The height of my triangle is 10. Divided by 2. Do not forget to divide by 2. 60 divided by 2 is 30 inches squared. Total area is 80 plus 30 plus 30, or 80 plus 30 times 2, which is 80. I'm showing every step, plus 60 is 140. Area equals 140 inches squared, and box that final area answer. Okay, that was number 9. Number 10, I split it up. I want you to try to find the area of number 10. Pause it, and then press play when you think you have the answer. And I'm going to go over it right now. So this is one foot, not drawn to scale by any means, by 1 foot. So this one is 1 by 1. I'm going to go over it very quick, and I'm not showing any of my work. I don't have room. Sorry. So the height is here, and the base is 2. So the base is 2, but I have to find the height of this rectangle. So in order to find the height of it, I'm going, whoops, and I forgot one, 2 feet. I have to find the measurement of this line here. So this is 2 feet, and then I have 1 foot here. So 2 plus 1 is 3 feet. So the area for this rectangle is 6 feet, because 3 times 2 is 6. Now for the triangle. This whole line is 5 feet. I used up 1 foot. I used up 2 feet, so that's 3 feet total. So 5 minus 2 minus 1 is 2 feet for the base of that triangle. And I know that the height is here, and we said it was 3. So 3 times 2 divided by 2, 3 times 2 is 6, divided by 2 is 3. So now I need to add them all up. Area is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 feet squared for that whole shape is the area. Okay, bring any questions to math groups. The next page you're going to do on your own for tomorrow. And if you have any questions, let me know or bring them to the math group. This is a lot and it was quick. Good luck. Do your best.